Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips, and I've just made a couple of videos on using the alternate and the E plus the M key to copy properties. And I knew it's kind of hard to hold down three keys on the keyboard, especially those three. They're not real close together. And I knew there was another way. So you can go right down here to your eyedropper tool, fly out, and go to the attributes eyedropper tool. Click on the object you want to copy and just put it in your new object. Now I've got the same color outline and the same shade of gray. Same thing with text. So this is actually a lot easier. We're going to copy that text. Whoop. I actually copied the other one from before. So let's click off here and click back on. And then go to your new text, which is kind of hard because it's so thin, but it gave me the exact same size, same color, same font. I mean, it actually changed the font from Arial black to Arial and small. Anyway, so that's your attributes eyedropper tool. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.